This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming account ownership. Sign in to Social Club and verify you can access your current email and password. Once done, collect proof of ownership, recent purchase receipts, platform ID, Steam, PSN, Xbox, and any linked account screenshots, because Rockstar requires verification. Make sure you add an alternate reachable email or phone number for responses. This speeds the process and prevents delays, so do not skip these steps. They are essential before submitting any official. Next, open a Rockstar support ticket under Account Issues and choose Email Changes. Fill the form precisely. Include your Social Club username, current email, desired new email, and attach the proof you gathered, receipts, and linked platform ID. In the message, explain why you need the change and confirm you control the new address. Once you send it, monitor the alternate contact you provided. Rockstar may ask follow-up questions, so respond promptly to avoid reopening the verification process. Finally, when Rockstar approves, you'll get a verification link at the new address. Click it immediately to finalize the change. After confirmation, review linked platforms and re-enable two-factor authentication if needed, ensuring continuity for GTA Online and other titles. If Rockstar denies the request, don't panic. Gather any missing documents and request escalation through the same ticket, providing clearer proof of ownership. A useful troubleshooting tip: if you get no reply within a week, reply to the ticket to bump it for human review.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.